Did you know a simple HDMI cable can destroy an entire company? Sarah Martinez was a finance director heading to the biggest meeting of her career. November 15, 2023, a high-security boardroom in downtown Chicago. She needed to present confidential acquisition plans worth $50 million. The client provided what looked like a standard HDMI adapter for her laptop. She plugged it in without hesitation. Her presentation loaded perfectly. But beneath the surface, something sinister was happening. The adapter contained hidden hardware that bypassed every security system her company had. It installed invisible malware directly into her laptop's firmware. Over the following weeks, every keystroke was captured, every password stolen. Confidential files were silently broadcast to competitors. Then the unthinkable happened. Their secret acquisition plans leaked. The $50 million deal collapsed overnight. Forensic investigators discovered the truth. That innocent HDMI cable was actually a sophisticated spy device. Sarah lost her job. Her company lost everything, all because of one malicious cable.